Um, Hello, my name's Alan. I've had videos up before. I put a lot of information up in the 2000s, and I was awake before virtually anybody in the UK. I used to correspond with people in America in the mid 2000s to do with UFOs, free electricity, and spirituality. And I decided to put some more information up because the energy fields are changing quite dramatically now on the Earth, which is being driven by the sun. The sun is not a big radioactive hydrogen bomb like people are made out to believe. It's actually a transformer. It's transforming energies from another plane of existence, which produces a spinning ball, which then throws out different energies and different atomic structures. It's all coming from what's called the dark light field. The whole universe, or the whole physical universe, manifests out of one field, one substance, which is energy. And this substance produces all the photons, subatomic particles, and atoms, which create everything. This substance actually is corpuscular in nature, winding and unwinding small packets of energy, which people call photons. The smaller packets than that as well, but the photon ones are the ones we really talk about. And these make everything around you. But these small packets are actually have got intelligence within them. The field itself is actually an intelligent field. And over trillions of years, because the universe is a lot older than what's been made out. People are saying it's 21.2 billion years old. It's actually trillions and trillions of years old. There's been a repeating cycle which has been repeated many times. The so-called Big Bang Theory was just part of a repeated cycle. One half of a repeated cycle which had been done many times before. And all information was retained in what's called the source. Back to what I was talking about, the energy fields are changing and it's impacting humans at a physiological level, psychological level as well. You can see whatever you see on the TV and on the internet, things are not the same as they were 15 years ago. Things have changed. There's a lot of people starting to wake up on the internet that we have not been told the truth. In fact, we've been lied to about everything. The mainstream media is a complete waste of time. Most of our science is bogus. I remember being at school and we're having a physics lesson when I was 14, 15. I just used to look out the window because I had a feeling that there was something wrong with it. I can't explain. It was a long time ago in the early 80s when there was virtually no information about spirituality in this country. The UK has been very controlled. Very little spiritual information was available. I remember going through the library in the early 80s and I could find virtually nothing. Whereas in places like the USA and Canada, I think it's been a little bit easier. But most people are completely unaware of these changes, and these changes are going to affect everybody. And you need to be prepared spiritually. You need to meditate and do a little bit of inner work, and you need to work on your emotions because these produce frequencies, and with this incoming energy, unless you're in a certain frequency, a certain control, it can impact you in a very negative way. Energy waves can be either positive or negative, constructive or destructive. And we're basically running out of time. A lot of people are running out of time. They're going to have to wake up and get in with a program, or else I don't think they're going to make it. which is a shame. I think things are going to change drastically over the next 10 years. Anyway, that's my first video. I'm going to put quite a few of these short videos. I'm not going to put the long ones up anymore. I'm just going to put the short ones up quite regular. Thanks for listening anyway.